and this is Victoria from Cinder Mac. And today I want to introduce our very hot product recently, the Cinder SD15. Different from other ordinary excavators, our SD15 has some advantages. So now let's check it. Firstly, look at here, this part is a swinging arm. So when you're working, you can make it turn left or make it turn right. So nextly, let's check this part. Here is a high and a low speed. So when you're working, so it will be more smooth and steady. And now let's check this part. Here is a retractable chassis, and it can become wider or narrow. So when we are in the different environment, different working environment, it will be very convenient to change. Let's check this part. Is the engine. So it's Yamaha 3TNV70 engine is very famous. And finally, we have a full hydraulic system. So we'll do confined moves better and so more easier to control it. So that's some function of our SD15, and then let's check more specific parameters.